This is General, and today I just want to teach you how to make video CVs. So video CV is very easy to make. All you need to know is that there are structures to making such content in order to fascinate the person seeing this content.
Oh my god! Wow!
So when you're making this video, you need to understand that you need to have a very nice introduction, and that introduction must just be a kind of 10 seconds of introduction for me to understand who you are. 10 seconds, very brief. So the next seconds would be your background, your experience, why you want this job and all that, or why do you want this job role. So I'll give you an instance. Greetings, my name is Tolu General, graduated from the University of Lagos in 2019 from the Department of Political Science. I have work experience in project management, marketing and communication. I've worked for a consulting firm where I served as a training assistant and a social media manager. I also serve as a community officer and a content creator for another firm. In 2020, my job description as a community officer is to develop monthly programs for startup businesses that will aid business growth. I've also successfully participated in the annual grant given to startup businesses by the organization I worked for. I am proficient with Microsoft Office, Photoshop, Canva, and Premiere Pro. I'm creative, smart, and a great listener. I understand how to uncover people's underlying motivations and drivers by really listening not only to what they are saying, but also being aware of what remains unsaid and unexpressed. You see, very easy and very clear. If you don't forget, it should be less than a minute, possibly 59 seconds. That's fine.